So for the first method, we're going to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Once we're on it, we're going to head over to Startup Apps, and then we're going to disable all of the apps that we don't want when our computer starts up, as this makes it even slower. So for example, I don't want Logitech G Hub to start up when my computer starts up, so I'm going to click on it and then click on Disable. Do that for all the other apps that you don't want to start when your computer loads up. For the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in Control Panel, click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to click on View by Small Icons. Once we're on it, we're going to head over to Power Options, and then we're going to click on Choose what the power buttons do. Click on that, and then make sure that this is turned on. Turn on Fast Startup Recommended, and then click on Save Changes. For the next method, we're going to right click on the Windows icon in the bottom left, and then click on Settings. Once we're on it, we're going to head over to Apps, and then head over to Startup. Once we're on it, now double check on this list that there's no apps that you want to be started when your computer loads up. If there is, then just turn it off. For the next method, head over to search and type in Run, and then type in Clean MGR. Click on Enter. Once we're on it, we're going to clear our C drive first, and then click on OK. And then make sure that everything here is selected, and then click on Clean Up System Files, and then click on OK again. Once this comes up, make sure that everything is selected again, and then click on OK, and click on Delete Files. That will clear a lot of your temporary files. You could do that for all your other drives as well if you want to. For the next method, head over to search and type in CMD, and then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes, and then we're going to type in sfc/scan now, and click on Enter, and then do the scan. We also want to do DISM//cleanup-image//RestoreHealth, and click on Enter, and then do the scan as well. For the next method, head over to search and type in Virus and Threat Protection. Click on it. Once you're on it, head over to Scan Options, and then you want to do a full scan, and then click on Scan Now. Next, we're going to head over to search and type in Check for Updates. Click on it, and then make sure that you check for updates and do all the updates that you may have. The next method is to make sure that you have a lot of space remaining in your drives. You want to be in the blue zone or the green zone. Don't be in the red zone. The next method is to make sure that your main drive is your SSD and that Windows is installed on it. This will easily boost up your computer speed, probably the most important step. But if you've done that and nothing else in this tutorial has worked for you, then you're going to have to upgrade your computer.